All right, so this is the actual dancing mat, and if you guys can see, it has a start button here. It has modes for different modes of games. It has game difficulty and the demo, so you could play with it first, and then you have your volume up and volume down. And then if you guys can see, you can see the scoreboard and the actual steps that you need to step. So these are pretty awesome exercise for kids, so they could spend many hours and multiple games in the mat. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
I don't know, for some reason I really like this.
I guess it's sparkling water. Sparkling water? Bueno, ya estamos en la forma cerrada.
So then he's going to go see an infectious disease doctor and then allow him to get him out of
Wait, so you said with your foot in the middle?
Yep.
It's hard.
Both feet in the middle.
No, because there's two buttons now.
There's this one organization that's called LA Family Health down by Northridge that I'm their POC. I go over their contract and they're hiring for youth counselors. But it's during the day. Because they do have to counselor in the shelter.